feel like I am not completely drowning.
I had put a lot of pressure and expectations on the 1-year mark of my divorce. I thought at the 1-year mark, I should be totally healed. And while that isn't the case, I can say I am feeling more grounded in the routine that I've created for me and my kids. Biggest thing I did not expect from divorce was how much of a roller coaster it is. You think you hit this rock bottom and then it's all up from there and you're on this healing journey, and that is just not the case. You're gonna have highs and lows, and they are going to come and go. You can accept that this is a roller coaster ride and not just like a straight shot up. You are going to be able to handle things a lot better. I used to do a Sunday reset almost every videos a day without skipping a beat, but it is a huge adjustment to go from living with another adult to living by yourself and being in charge of 2 little ones.